reality strikes. Everything starts with a dream that can be our inspiration to accomplish our goals. When we were children, we've always hoped that we can serve our nation someday and be part of the progression of our country. I've always dreamed of being someone who could make a difference. Many people doubted me and thought otherwise. As time goes by, that dream faded away. Each day was a dreadful sight. The coward side of me that didn't dare to hold on. I can't do it anymore, I told myself. Why do I have to suffer like this? It's not fair. Tick tock, tick tock. Hearing the sound of the clock made it worse. I had a chance, just didn't take it. Now reality speaks with a familiar sound. Life is great. What? Are you serious? If this is the life was planned for me, I wouldn't want to go on. Go ahead, end it. It wouldn't even make a difference. Then reality strikes again. With a greater force, louder you could imagine. You are living by choice, not by chance. I know. That's why I'm living an awful life. You made it happen. It was given. You were given all those years and this is what you could come up with? Come on! I'm hopeless! I'm weak! Are you supposed to rub it in? I get it! Reality ended the battle. It's not the end of the world. Time doesn't stop when you fall. That's why the sky is high. It's something to reach for. A cold breeze suddenly surrounded me. The view seemed to change. Now I get it. So live your life, be yourself, and see the difference. When reality strikes.